Atlantic Lithium is dedicated to bringing the Ewoyaa lithium project to production in Ghana. It is a significant project in that it is a relatively low-cost operation which can be brought to production in the near term. Obviously, in a very competitive lithium market, costs are very important. So this project sits very well on the cash cost curve, which means that we will be able to survive the current lows in the market, but also benefit from the highs in the market, which we expect to see as demand continues with significant rollout of EVs. So Ghana has been producing gold for over 100 years. It has a number of very large, significant gold mines in country, and today is a significant gold producer in Africa itself. As a result of which, the country has very good infrastructure and laws that were designed to help the mining industry progress. We also benefit from significant manpower advantages as some other locations in Africa, in that we have a number of mining universities in country, which provide us with personnel such that we don't have to bring staff in from overseas, which means in turn that we actually feeds into a lower cost environment than we would otherwise have. Ghana is a prosperous economy in West Africa. It is a stable democracy, which was the first democracy in Africa in the 1950s. We enjoy a very good relationship with the Ghana government, which is very keen to see the development of the first lithium mine, a diversification of the portfolio of minerals that it produces. The issue of the mining lease at the end of October last year was a very important step not only for us but for Ghana. We'll be the first lithium mining country and an important diversification in terms of the mineral the country produces. For us, it means we now have the green light to take the project to production. We'll be completing the remaining permitting stages by the middle of this year, with the objective of coming to production, at first production next year and full production in 2026. We're very pleased to welcome the first of two stages of investments by the Sovereign Wealth Fund of Ghana, MIF. MIF makes significant investments into the mines and downstream activity in country. It is the means by which the government and the nation of Ghana invests directly into projects. Obviously, this is a commercial investment, and it's very important for us to welcome Ghana as a shareholder, effectively, into our company. And indeed, the second stage, which is an investment of nearly 28 million into our project itself. In terms of the exploration prospects for the company, in the first place, we are focused on Ghana and the development of our very significant land package within Ghana itself. We believe there's significant upside in the geology, which allow us to extend the mine life itself and potentially increase production in the future. Outside of Ghana, we also look at opportunity. We have license applications in Ivory Coast, which we are also evaluating, and we continue to look at projects beyond these areas to see if we can find other projects that are as attractive as Ewoyaa. Atlantic Lithium finds itself in an advantageous position today. The project itself has been significantly de-risked by substantial studies, including a DFS study last year, resources that we've established over time in many years. And we're now at the situation where all of this work bears fruition with the breaking of ground of the project later this year and first production intended for next year and full production the following year. This situates us particularly well for rising demand from EVs, and we expect to benefit from rising prices through 2025 and 2026.